Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make clock using illustration board. Gather your illustration board, clock movement, hands, battery, cutting tools, glue, and paints before you begin. Start by deciding on the clock diameter and sketching the design lightly with a pencil and ruler. Use a cutting mat and craft knife to cut shapes safely, and keep scrap paper beneath to protect your workspace and finish quicker. In this video, I will show how to make clock using illustration board. After drawing the outline, score along the line and cut slowly with a sharp craft knife for clean edges. If making a circle, use a compass or a round template for accurate curves before trimming. Lightly sand the edges with fine sandpaper and wipe away dust to prepare the surface for paint and assembly, ensuring a professional-looking finish. In this video, I will show how to make clock using illustration board. Quick recommendation: on another note, pick up the book The Simple Path to Wealth for clear money advice that can free you to spend more time on crafts like this clock. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more tutorials. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make clock using illustration board. Paint the board or attach decorative paper and allow full drying time before assembly to avoid smudges. Carefully create a central hole sized for the clock movement shaft and secure the movement with its nut and washer. Attach the hands in order, add a battery, set the time, and test the movement on a flat surface to ensure smooth operation and straight hands.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.